Cryptic here, and I got news for you. A multi-chain swap decentralized application which allows you to swap on and between 11 blockchains, that is including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and more. This gem is called Rubik. But why should you get it? With Rubik, you can swap over 15,000 assets, hop onto the trading feature, and start swapping. You can swap from Ethereum networks to any other asset of your choice. On February 10th, they launched a referral program where you can share a personal link and receive incentives. Promoters can get up to 50% on each on-chain transaction and a fixed reward for each successful integration from 500 to 5,000 Rubik. On February 7th, Rubik integrated Aurora blockchain into their multi-chain routing feature. And then again on February 15th, they integrated Near blockchain. If you decide to register and sign up, Rubik provides better rates and lower fees all in one click. Don't say I didn't tell you.
My ladies and my gentlemen, welcome back to Encrypto'd, where you can get all your latest news, updates, trends in the crypto world. I am your host, Cryptic, and like always, and once again, we have another banger. Today's gem is called Dacxi. Hopping on right, yes, Dacxi Coin, spelled like Dacxi, pronounced, I believe, Daxy. And let's roll with it. So let's hop right into the website, guys. Live and direct on the Dacxi Coin landing page. This is the world's first global tokenized crowdfunding system. We're gonna review Daxi. Let's find out all about what it is, how they function, and why. And if this review convinces you and you do further research and finally decide you want to invest in Dacxi Coin, then you might come back on this landing page and click this buy now button. And just like that, if you decide to invest in Daxi, the buy now button will take you to Hit BTC, where you can sign up, transfer your funds, and earn Dacxi Coin today. So come on, tag along with me. We're going to dive deeper into this website. Right here, they have Bridging the Innovation Funding Gap and Unleashing Crowdfunding's True Potential. Daxi states that crowdfunding has the potential to be $1 trillion market, but because of the system's fundamental flaws, it's worth only 1% of that today. The Dacxi Chain's blockchain-based tokenization technology will change that forever. Powered by its native cryptocurrency, the Dacxi Coin, the Dacxi Chain will deliver the world's first truly global regulated crowdfunding system. How about we play this video here to learn more about what they're saying, shall we?
Introducing the Dacxi Coin.
We shall.
The official cryptocurrency of the global Daxi economy. The Dacxi Coin is a revolutionary blockchain-based cryptocurrency. It's part of the next big wave of crypto assets created through tokenization, and it's ready to change the financial world as we know it. So, how does the Dacxi Coin work?
Interesting.
Every time someone makes a transaction, it will be recorded on the Dacxi Chain. Funds will be transferred globally and fees will be paid, both using the Dacxi Coin. But unlike Bitcoin, the Dacxi Coin isn't designed for everyday payments. It's designed solely to drive payments within the Daxi ecosystem. It'll be the native coin of the Dacxi Chain, our bespoke blockchain technology. It'll be the foundation of our future global innovation funding system. And it'll be a game changer the crypto world has been waiting for. There are two sides to the Dacxi Coin. On one side, it's a crypto wealth building opportunity.
Oh, that's cool.
On the other, it's a worldwide innovation funding tool.
Smart.
Let's start with side one. Pioneered by Daxi, crypto wealth is a whole new market with multi-trillion-dollar potential. Instead of investing in traditional assets like shares, bonds, or real estate, crypto wealth empowers everyday people to invest in digital assets.
Interesting.
All without ever leaving their couch. How is Daxi making this happen? With the Daxi platform. The Daxi platform is a place where people can simply, seamlessly, and speedily invest in the world's biggest crypto blue chips and the Daxi Coin. Most importantly, it's a place where the average person can get the education, inspiration, and support they need to invest in crypto with confidence.
Okay.
The Daxi Coin is being used to build this global network of wealth-focused investors in preparation for Side 2 of the Daxi Coin, a global innovation system. There are countless companies looking for capital, and countless investors looking for the next big thing. These two groups were made for each other. If only they could find each other. Daxi is launching a unique global innovation system designed to help close the gap between early-stage tech innovation and the investment it needs to succeed. Whether you're from Australia, Austria, or Argentina, through the Dacxi platform,
America.
anyone will be able to invest directly in any company around the world. No more middlemen, no more barriers, just a whole new crowd of innovative businesses and a whole new crowd of investors, connected through the Dacxi Chain. Daxi's highly skilled team has spent more than 3 years developing this platform. Our vastly experienced leadership team is growing, and our UK and Australasian markets are thriving. But we're only getting started. We're building a global network of licensee-regulated crypto wealth platforms. These platforms are set to become the biggest token marketing organization in the industry, because it's one thing to have the technology, but the marketing organization is the real key to dominating the world of blockchain-driven innovation funding.
Facts.
The Dacxi Coin isn't a gamble, a game, or a gimmick. It's a smart investment, a long-term wealth strategy, and your path to prosperity and freedom through crypto.
Can I
The Dacxi Coin, the world's first wealth-building cryptocurrency.
Yo, that was some video. Super detailed, very simple, straightforward. That is a thorough summary on the Dacxi coins, what, how, and why. We love this. Good stuff. And like we've seen, Daxi's motive of sharing the crypto's wealth, how so? Through their own digital platform. Let's find out more about it. Unlocking the potential of innovative companies worldwide and delivering hyper-growth investment opportunities to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Shout out Daxi, you know what it is. Quickly skim through the pages of the light paper. I highly suggest you to dive into this. It's very detailed, a lot of information, which is why we won't go through it in this video, but I highly suggest it regardless. We're gonna go over some highlights and your guide that will help you with your research on Daxi. You know, when you find out about a project, you know what it is, how they do it, but why? What's the issue that you're trying to solve? What's the motive? What's the big goal? Well, in the crypto world, there is an innovation funding crisis. Now, this is coming straight from Daxi. They've done a lot of research and they're constantly developing their project, their company. Who would believe that for all their success in a world awash with speculative capital? Innovation and tech companies are the economic powerhouses of the 21st century. They dominate stock markets, pay high salaries, and create wealth at levels we have never seen before. But despite the endless chatter about the business getting funding, one quickly discovers that the ones getting publicity are in fact just a tiny fraction of all deserving companies. So for every funded company you hear about, thousands are going begging. That must change. What are some issues entrepreneurs are facing? For one, not getting any funding. 2, getting funding but not enough or quickly enough to support rapid growth. And 3, conditions demanded by VCs and angels mean entrepreneurs lose control. And now the big how. How does Daxi solve the innovation funding crisis? To understand some of this, you might want to reach the page before. It's an early stage crisis. They elaborate on some fundamental details, but this is what you need to know. They've implemented early stage funding options. Currently, early stage companies needing investment are limited to personal resources, friends and family, angel networks, angel investors, venture capitalists, and government. Early stage funding is dominated by wealth venture capitalists, but very little of their money actually trickles down to fund early stage opportunities because they prefer to invest in strong growth stage businesses which guarantee a return. Make sense? Governments invest in early stage ventures because they know how necessary innovation funding is. However, the presence of government investment is the clearest possible indication of how dysfunctional the current early stage funding model is. Now, the crowd arrives. The largest source of speculative capital is the public who your billions into gambling every year. The people, the community. Yes, this is who we talk about. This is who we believe in. You know what it is. Surely, early stage investing would be a much more constructive outlet for their desire to risk their money in the hope of high returns, wouldn't it? But currently their options for doing so are limited. So we have an innovation funding crisis this is how Daxi will thrive to solve the crisis. Now, you want to dive deeper into the operations and more details on the crowdfunding functions. Dive on into the next few pages, and then you'll get to the Dacxi Chain global tokenized crowdfunding system and how the Dacxi Chain does in operation. I suggest reading over these topics to further your knowledge. But down here, for you quick learners, Dacxi Coin in a nutshell. Take a look at this page, sums it all up for you. A quick description, their purpose, more about the utility token, the Dacxi Coin issuer, the initial coin offer, technology, coin ownership, total issued, live and direct. Here you have it. Take a look. Hope you like it. So the light paper is very descriptive, very detailed. We're going to leave it. If you want to have a read, you could do that on your own. We're going to hop back to the website here where things look just a bit more aesthetic. The Dacxi Coin uses what? Here we have investment transfer. As the Dacxi Chain's native currency, it will be used for global crowdfunding investments. Blockchain fees. Fees on the Dacxi Chain will only be able to be paid in Dacxi Coin. Nodes staking. Staking by licensees of token writer nodes to ensure good actors. Limits coin supply. Exchange coin. On token exchanges, the Dacxi Coin will provide global liquidity for investors. E-commerce. Within the investor community, the coin will be used to make global product payments and customer acquisition. The coin is currently used as an incentive for Dacxi customer acquisition and global recruitment. Wonderful. The utility of Dacxi coins. Here you have it. What are some of the exchange listings? Here they are listed on exchanges like HitBTC, as we've seen up there, as well as Bitforex. You can buy Dacxi Coin today on CoinsBit and Uniswap. It is grayed out, so I'm not sure if it works fully. Well, let's find out. We can select here. There it is. It is live on Uniswap and CoinsBit, which is great. For coin tracking, you can find it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and CoinPaprika. More insights from Daxi Sky High Commercial Power. What does that mean? Let's find out. The Daxi Chain's commercial potential is clear. As the world's first global tokenized crowdfunding system, it will redefine crowdfunding as we know it. The Daxi Chain will be based on a worldwide network of over 100 crypto wealth platforms across every continent as the only system built on a global network of this scale. The Dacxi Chain will be set to dominate the crowdfunding market. As well implemented game-changing technology, Daxi has been pioneering the crypto wealth platform since 2017. In their in-house tech team, they've had vast experience in blockchain, tokenization, security, custody, exchange engines, customer dashboards, and all of the topics we go over here at Encrypto'd. They developed their code from the ground up, ensuring Daxi's worldwide network can support the Dacxi Chain's capacity to fund 10,000 projects each year. Wow, if they can fund 10,000 projects each year, we are all eating. How is Daxi growing the Dacxi Coin? Y'all should definitely hop on these videos. Conversation with the CEO, Ian Lowe, as well as their head of product, Fernando Pacheco, find out how they are growing the Dacxi Coin. We love transparency, so let's meet the team. Daxi has assembled a team of some of the crypto industry's best and brightest minds, over 50 staff, based in 7 offices all around the world. An emphasis on the CEO, Ian Lowe, he who spearheaded the creation of the world's first global network of digital media platforms. Really interesting. You can actually go through these 6 members here and find their LinkedIn. Once again, we love transparency and being able to communicate with the main team behind a project or anything that you would like to invest in. Now we've made it to the roadmap, the journey so far. 2017 was when Dacxi Coin launched. In 2018, Daxi's Coin ICO took place. In 2019, the Dacxi Coin was listed on its first exchange. And now the future roadmap, since 2021, the coin listings will keep continuing. Daxi's crypto wealth platform network will expand. 2022, they will be expanding over 20 platforms. And the Dacxi Chain will launch. And then next year, 2023, they plan to launch Crypto Wealth Platform. The network will expand to 50 plus platforms. The Dacxi Chain will grow into a global crowdfunding world leader. Let's market We believe in Daxi. We will keep an eye out. Let's take a second. Go to the bottom of the page where you can find all their social media handles: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Medium. Tap right in. With over 25,000 members and a solid ratio of these members actively online. Voice your concerns, ask questions, meet people, and stay up to date with all the latest news, events, and the beautiful knowledge being passed around these strong communities. Down to the tokenomics. Yes, sir. How are they dividing their funds? We love to see this. 45% goes to their valued customers, including vaulted. 5% goes to expansion. 10% goes to licensee staking. 10% to reserve, and 30% to staff, founders, and suppliers. Dacxi Coin has made it to the press, FinTech, Daily Express, Cointelegraph, the future of money. They are talking about Dacxi Coin. Dacxi Coin is now and is the future. Well, at least it seems like it. Stake your claim in the cryptocurrency that will unlock crowdfunding's full potential. Once again, you can buy Dacxi Coin. One simple button takes you to hit BTC, and you're good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we went over the Dacxi Coin, the Dacxi Chain, the listings, some of the tech, the team, and the community. If you made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you find out any more about Daxi, and let us all know if you find out anything else about Daxi. And drop an emoji for Daxi, any purple emojis. The brand that is purple will stick with the purple. Go flood the comments, like the video. If you're new, subscribe so you don't miss out any new updates or trends in the crypto world. My name is Cryptic, and this is Encrypted. I'll catch you next video. Peace.